This tells me that the amplitude is 4. This tells me that we have a horizontal compression by a factor of 1/30. So my period is usually 360, so it's going to be 1/30 times 360, which is 12. Now, that's important. So the graph is 12 long, and we know that important stuff happens every quarter period. Important stuff happens every quarter period. So it's going to be take the period and divide by 4. So the important stuff is going to happen every 3 ticks on our graph. So remember that the important stuff on a sine graph, it starts at on the axes, and then it goes max, axes, min, axes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 things. So important stuff every quarter period, which in this case is 3. And then that's a shift, a phase shift, left 5, that looks like heft 5, left 5, and shift up 2, which is the axis, is at y equals 2. So to graph this, I'm going to start with my axes, and it's shifted up 2. So I'm going to draw horizontal axes and a vertical axis. And since my important stuff happens every 3, I'm just going to count by ones. I know it'll take 12 to repeat it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. And I need to go up to 6 because my axis is at 2, and then it goes up 4 from there. So this is 6, this is 2. We need to go at least down 2. And I need to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put some extra ticks on there. Okay, so first I'll draw my axes of the curve, and it's at y equals 2. Let's see if I can draw a horizontal line at y equals 2 that's relatively horizontal. And I'm going to draw lines for my max and my min. So my max is at 6, and my min is at 2. And then, since my graph has been shifted to the left 5, that means that my graph is going to start at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at -5. So this is where my graph starts. And then the important stuff, this is my start, and the important stuff happens every 3 ticks. So I'm going to draw lines every 3 ticks. 1, 2, 3, draw a line. 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 Okay, so what does a sine function do? My sine function will start on the axes, so it starts right here, and then it goes to a max, then it goes back to the axes, then it goes to a min, and then it goes back to the axes, and I just want one cycle because that's all that's showing in those examples. So my graph will look like this. So we're looking for the graph that starts at -5, goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 7, and goes between -2 and 6, which I don't know which one that is because I can't see the graphs. Oh my gosh, they're really small. It's either A or D. We'll have to zoom in on those to see which one it is because I can't tell. Anyway, that's how you draw it.